Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Today I am going to share wooden home decoration items. As you know, home decoration refers to the art and science of making an internal and external space more attractive. So, I compiled these unique and stylish wooden decoration items for you so you can customize them or you can buy them from any store and enhance the beauty and decoration of your home, sweet home. So you can see in this video various designer elements and items such as color, style of furniture, decoration items for your living room, for your bedroom and for your whole house. As you can see, different stylish wooden lamps, wooden mirrors, wooden vases, flower vases, small and long vases, wooden table lamp of different shades, wooden plates and wooden glass plates, wooden ceramic rose flower, solid wood wall panel, multicolor wooden furniture, wooden tables, wooden stylish wall clock, wooden family home and home sweet home written statements, wooden stylish flower vases, wooden mirror frames, wooden planters, bookshelves, paintings, and many other designs you can see in this video. I hope you like these wooden special decoration items, antique wooden decoration pieces, and traditional wooden creativity. I hope you like and enjoy these designs. Then please thumbs up and appreciate my efforts. Subscribe my channel and share this video for me. Thank you so much for watching.